It's like 5:45 in the morning. I definitely woke up early. I'm sorry. I was up at like 5:20, but I just slept in because, well, not really slept in. I just didn't get up until like 5:35 because I got no sleep. But it's Monday, so today's usually just like the cardio stairmaster day. And do that for like 30-45 minutes, and then I'll go and I'll just do that. My stretches and maybe like an ab workout, because we had it last Monday. So I can just work out till 7 and do my usual and get ready for work. I just got no sleep last night. I could not go to sleep last night. That Sunday to Monday transition always gets me because I stay later on the weekend, but I did like do all my stuff to be finished so I could go to bed. Like I could have been in bed at like 11:30ish, but again I could just not sleep, and I was like, it takes me forever to like actually fall asleep. But anyways, it's just doing whatever. But now I'm gonna go to sleep today earlier because I need it. I have a couple things I need to get done today, like I didn't know. I'm gonna put it in here because that way y'all know if I BS'd it. I have to edit and post and schedule vlogs for days 1 through 6, well 1 through 7 actually, because today's day 8, already day 8. I have to fold my laundry, and I have to fold and put away my laundry, and then I have to, I'm gonna try to do my hair for like the week so I don't have to worry about it, because for one, it needs to get washed. I'm sorry, it needs to get washed real bad. And I also don't want to keep putting in slick backs because it's not good for your hair, and I have blonde hair, so that's double not good for your hair, or even worse. So I'm really thinking about doing like some twist outs or something, but I'll see about that later. But at the very least, I know I need to edit those videos and get them out so I can be more up to date and out to batch edit them. I can just edit the day up kind of and post that up. And then I also need to do my laundry. Those are the two biggest ones that will make me have my space be more comfortable, clean, and then get the content up so I can focus on other things and then do my hair. But yeah, that's it for right now. I'll see y'all later. Hopefully it comes today because I only have like, what, 12 more minutes left on this SD card, but I'll see y'all later. So y'all, I got off work, got home, and I was like, oh, let me get right into editing. Of course, I got in the pool, so I'm about to look crazy, but it's a good thing I'm gonna wash it today. And I have even more sensitive to wash it today because, oof, she's begging for some simple water. So, especially working out more, like I'm gonna wash my hair. But there's a few things we need to get done today. I'm saying it again in the camera. I have to fold this laundry. I hate folding laundry, but I'm gonna do it first so I can get my space cleared out and I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna edit days 1 through, what is it, 7, and have them posted up and scheduled so I can get that off my plate. They shouldn't take that long. If I have to stay up later, I'm gonna stay later to get that done because it needs to get done. I have to get those done so that way all will be done. But let's fold this laundry first. I did order an SD card and I thought it was gonna come today, but it's coming tomorrow because I ordered it after 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. today. So I thought when it said tomorrow, it meant tomorrow as in the morning, daytime tomorrow, meaning today, and not I ordered it on the 2nd, it's coming on the 3rd tomorrow. But it's fine. I deleted a couple videos from like random miscellaneous videos over here, so I should have enough footage to last me until tomorrow, and so I can get a new SD card, and that'll be good. I might actually go back and buy again another SD card just to be on the safe side because I don't want to run out of storage again. So alright, enough procrastinating so I can get this laundry done. I just have to fold it and put it away, and I have to organize my bottom drawer, my what is it called, intimates drawer, because I do undershirts half socks, half bras, and then I fold my underwear. It just makes it as neat as possible. But I have to clean and organize that out, and that's gonna take time. I'm trying to get this. What time is it? It's 6. I want to get done and folded. I have 2 bins. I don't know if you can see the other one. I have 2 bins, but those are like more towels and other stuff like that, so it shouldn't be that long. I want to get all this done. It's 6:06. I want to get all this done and folded by 7, so that way I can have like 2-3 hours to edit and get all the videos up. And then like 9:30ish, 10, I'll take a shower, wash my hair, do a little quick mask, and then do a twist out. I'm only caring about the front, what the front looks like. The back, I'm not looking at the back. If it looks, it's free part twist, I don't really care. So I can sit under the dryer for like 15-20 minutes, but I will wrap the front and go to bed with wet hair, even though I shouldn't because I'm already a little congested. I did not feel that good today, but it's right. You see I'm procrastinating? Let me just fold this laundry and get it done. I look crazy, but y'all, I was trying to be productive, do content for you. I literally folded all this drawer, all this bin, and I still have to fold this. My camera's like, oh, the battery's gonna die, so I go on it. I'm like so nice to film on my phone like this. I go on it, well, I grab it so I can change the battery out, and as I'm changing it out, I get this random error message. Not random, but this error message just says the lens will not shut properly. And now my like lens right here, you can see is loose. So I've been trying for like the past 20 minutes. I wanted to have this laundry folded and done freaking 15-20 minutes ago at 7, and it's still all here because I'm trying to fiddle with this damn camera, and it looks crazy and it's not working. I set an appointment with the Geek Squad. I'm on their online chat right now, but like my warranty for my camera expired. I had like a 4-year warranty, expired of course last year. One time I got it like sand stuck in it, and the lens went closed, and it was under warranty, so I didn't pay for anything, and they just shipped it off, and it got fixed in like 3 days, and they shipped it right back. Did they ship it to me? No, I picked it up. So I'm hoping they'll at least be able to send it out. You don't have to pay like, even if I have to pay like $100 or $120, $150, something like that, I'll pay it because I'm on my camera. I'm on my camera. So I'm hoping they'll send it out. If not, I'm gonna have to contact Canon. I'm like, I don't know how long that's gonna take, and I'm not gonna have any camera. Like, this is just my luck. So let's try to get consistent for y'all. Now it don't want to work, but I'm gonna finish filming this up. I'm gonna edit these videos, and I don't even have the energy to do my hair. I'm gonna do a wash and go because those are simple. I just do the wash and go in the shower. I was gonna do a twist out, but I think I'm gonna do a wash and go instead of then sit under the dryer, because I can sit in the dryer and edit if I need to. So that's what I might do. But I just want to let you know, I don't know how these next few days of videos are gonna look. I tried, babes. I really did try. Hopefully I can send it off and get it fixed in a few days, and maybe by next week, God willing, I can have my camera back on working, because it literally took like 3 days, if that, for them to fix it and give it back to me. So I'm hoping that'll be the same process. Praying, please, that'll be the same process. But now look, been like, oh, I want a new camera, I want to get another camera eventually. It's a sign like she's trying to cook out of me. Like, I'm just gonna take the battery out for right now. Ooh. No. Oh yeah, she's done. anything at all. Something's definitely loose. Damn it. Alright, we're just gonna leave her be. I'm gonna take the battery out for right now. But something's clearly not messed up my camera or done anything with it. So I don't know what could have possibly happened. But she is not in for it. I'm praying they can fix this because I had her 4 years and I do not want her to be gone. Actually, I'm lying, I've had her 5 years. And I've had not gotten enough wear out of her for how much she costs. Personally, I feel like. Well, maybe I have, but no, I haven't. Because you need to work. Please, baby, work, please. I'm gonna put all these clothes away, edit these videos, and I'll check in with y'all later. Today's vibe was killed, guys. I'm sorry. I was all pumped. I was gonna do what I had to do. I'm gonna still do it. I'm not gonna let something like this steer me off track, because normally I would. I won't let it steer me off track. I'm gonna do what I have to do. I'm probably gonna pack my gym bag now so I can go to bed because I'm done. I'm done. I'm pack my gym bag, put all this stuff away, edit these videos, and just lay down for a little bit. And then I'm gonna shower, do a wash and go on my hair, and call it a night. Call it a night. Call it a night. Hey y'all, it's 9:50 right now. Sorry, I'll turn down my TV a little bit. It's 9:50 right now. I've been sitting here editing for the past like 2-ish hours. Well, not really. Like, yeah, maybe like 2-ish hours. I started at 8, so it's 9:50, so it was almost 2 hours. I'm just so upset with my camera. I really hope I can fix it, even if I have to pay to fix it. But I'm just like, I don't want to buy a whole new camera because I can't just record my phone. Like, I'm not that type of person. Like, if I have to, I will, but that's how I did start off content. But I just don't want to. I bought that camera for a reason, so I really just hoping to fix. But I'm gonna try not to dwell on it. But in the meantime, I managed to edit videos for days 1, 2, and 3. I'm not talking about draft edits. I'm talking about some fully edited sound, music, and everything. They're good to go. All I have to do is just pick a random clip for the thumbnail, and she's ready to go. So I'm really proud of myself for that. I started on day 4 a little bit, but it's 50 minutes of footage. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but apparently I had a bunch of footage. But I was eating on my lunch break, and I was with y'all, and I already know it's 50 minutes of footage, but this probably will only be like a 15-minute video. Like, I already know kind of what I did that day, and a lot of this is just, I know I walked away from the camera for a lot of this, so I have to edit a lot of it out. But I got days 1 through 3 done, fully completed, so I'm gonna stop here. I've had a long day. I'm upset. I still need to wash my hair. I'm just gonna wash and put a conditioning mask in it and detangle it, because I did go in the pool and I don't want all that sitting in my hair overnight. So I'm gonna take a shower, wash it all out, and be good. And this is it for day. I know what it is. Date. Sorry, y'all. It did not go how I want to go as planned, but life happens, things happen. All we can do is just keep moving forward. I'm glad I got something done. I didn't let it fully derail my day. But hopefully we can be back better than ever soon. Tomorrow, I really want to get done days 4, 5, and 6 at the very least, because those need to be completed and just up and scheduled. That's really it. And then if I can, I would do 7, 2, and 8. So I'm gonna edit y'all. Isn't that weird? I'm saying I'm gonna edit y'all while I'm talking about editing, while I'm filming it. But I know at the very least I'm gonna finish 4, then do 5, and then 6. 6 I know will be a longer one too. I'm just surprised how long 4 is. I'm like, what the hell did I do that day? But 4, 5, and 6 I know were my longer days because I started getting a little bit more of a momentum. but hopefully they shouldn't take that long to edit. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys for day 9. Thanks for coming by. Love y'all. Good night.